This is the first time I'm noticing the lid really doesn't stay tight on top. It moves around a lot. I don't know if it's supposed to stay on tight, so we'll see if it's an issue by the time I'm done cooking. And honestly, the way I cook them, these are so tender. Absolutely love doing them in the Crock-Pot. They are so good. If you do not have a Crock-Pot, I'm telling you, you need one to make ribs. So amazing, tender, and juicy. Absolutely love.
I always depend on this baby right here to cook whatever I put in it, especially on days that I don't feel like being in the kitchen long. I can just throw anything. Right now, I'm cooking a chuck roast. I made a sauce and threw it in, put it on high, and let that baby cook. And it's so easy to clean. When I first got it, it looked a little intimidating because it looks pretty big, as you can tell. But it's a perfect size. I'm a family of 2 adults and 2 kids, and it's perfect. Perfect to clean, perfect to cook, whatever you need. And it's one of the best purchases I've gotten to cook or for my kitchen ever. So if you're on the defense, I give it a 2 thumbs up because it is a must in this kitchen.
Who isn't obsessed with Crock-Pot season? As fall approaches, I'm super excited. So my Crock-Pot actually died while I was out of town, and my husband called and said he desperately needed something because he wanted to make some soup. So I ordered this one off Amazon so that it would get here quick. It's really simply basic. Like, look, it's just a turn knob of off, low, high, and warm. It has the it's just literally basic. It comes out for cleaning. I will say this is absolutely dishwasher safe. It makes it super easy to clean. This one is simply just a basic Crock-Pot. It's nothing more. You need nothing more. This is an easy, basic appliance to have in your kitchen that everyone should own, from teenagers in college all the way to adults like we are. I think that this is a great gift. It's an absolute easy to use, and it doesn't have all the fidgety things and all the buttons and the computers and stuff like that. It's just very simple, very basic, very easy to use, and very quick to throw a meal together last minute.